Hi everyone, this is Amrita and today's video is a quick roundup of vegetarian food sources of protein. A lot of people seem to think that it's really hard to get in your daily protein requirement if you are vegetarian. Bullshit. But this is not actually the case. While it's true that non-vegetarian food can be a slightly more concentrated source of protein, and so it can be easier to get your protein from non-veg, a little bit of planning and you can absolutely manage it from veg food too. Let's first have a look at your main sources of protein in vegetarian food. Number 1, dairy. This includes milk, paneer, cheese, dahi and buttermilk. Number 2, soya bean. This includes the actual soya bean as well as all soy products like soya atta, soya milk, soya chunks, soya granules, tofu and even edamame. Number 3, dals and pulses. This includes beans like rajma and chole as well as all your dals like tur and masoor dal. Number 4, nuts and seeds. This includes almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, sabza seeds, etc. There are many different ways in which you can combine these foods and prepare these foods and use them to help you meet your daily protein requirement. Quantities of these will of course have to be individualized as per your needs and you can reach out to me if you need help doing this. Finally, if you absolutely can't meet your daily needs just through food, protein supplements are always an option, but in my opinion, it's always great to follow a food-first approach. Food just has so many more nutrients that your body needs that you'd be missing out on if you just took supplements instead.
We do have one more thing.
I'm really excited to announce that starting next week, I'm going to be starting a new series of videos. They'll be really short videos with very specific nutrition questions that have pretty specific nutrition answers. You can look out for these and I hope these help clear most of your nutrition and food doubts. So there'll be 4 videos each week, one on Monday, one on Tuesday, one on Wednesday and one on Friday. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also benefit from it. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below, reach out to me on Instagram or just shoot me an email. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.